This content features simple daily English questions and answers between a mother and her daughter, focusing on common everyday interactions to help improve basic communication skills in family life.
Good morning, Mary. Did you sleep well?
Morning, Mama.
Good morning, Mary. Did you sleep well?
Morning, Mama.
Let's brush your teeth, sweetie.
No.
Let's brush your teeth, sweetie.
No.
Come on, it's important to have clean teeth.
Okay, Mama.
Come on, it's important to have clean teeth.
Okay, Mama.
Now, let's wash your face. Look, bubbles.
Bubbles.
Now, let's wash your face. Look, bubbles.
Bubbles.
Yes, the bubble is very beautiful. Yes, the bubble is very beautiful. Would you like some breakfast?
Yes, pancakes.
Would you like some breakfast?
Yes, pancakes.
All right, pancakes coming right up. All right, pancakes coming right up. Do you want syrup or butter on your pancakes?
Syrup.
Do you want syrup or butter on your pancakes?
Syrup.
Yum, syrup it is. Yum, syrup it is. Let's pick out your clothes for today.
Pink dress.
Let's pick out your clothes for today.
Pink dress.
All right, pink dress it is.
Shoes.
All right, pink dress it is.
Shoes.
Do you want your sneakers or sandals?
Sneakers.
Do you want your sneakers or sandals?
Sneakers.
Okay, let's put them on. Okay, let's put them on. Now, let's brush your hair.
Ouch.
Sorry, I'll be gentle. What would you like to play today?
Dollies.
What would you like to play today?
Dollies.
Let's play with your dolls then.
Baby sleep.
Let's play with your dolls then.
Baby sleep.
Oh, your baby is sleeping? How sweet.
Shoo, Mama.
Oh, your baby is sleeping? How sweet.
Shoo, Mama.
Okay, I'll be quiet. Okay, I'll be quiet. Do you want to play with blocks too?
Yes, blocks.
Do you want to play with blocks too?
Yes, blocks.
Let's build a tower. Let's build a tower. Are you hungry, Mary?
Yes, Mama.
Are you hungry, Mary?
Yes, Mama.
How about some fruit and yogurt?
Banana.
How about some fruit and yogurt?
Banana.
You love bananas, don't you?
Yummy.
You love bananas, don't you?
Yummy.
Do you want more yogurt?
No, all done.
Do you want more yogurt?
No, all done.
Okay, let's clean your hands.
Sticky.
Okay, let's clean your hands.
Sticky.
Yes, let's wipe off that sticky banana. Yes, let's wipe off that sticky banana. Do you want to go to the park?
Yes, I want to go to the park.
Do you want to go to the park?
Yes, I want to go to the park.
Okay, let's put on your jacket.
Cold.
Okay, let's put on your jacket.
Cold.
Yes, it's chilly today. We need to stay warm.
Hat.
Yes, it's chilly today. We need to stay warm.
Hat.
Good idea. Let's grab your hat. Ready to go?
Yes, Mama.
Good idea. Let's grab your hat. Ready to go?
Yes, Mama.
Do you want to swing?
Yes, I want to swing really high.
Do you want to swing?
Yes, I want to swing really high.
Hold on tight.
This is so much fun, Mama.
Look how high you're going.
This is so much fun, Mama.
Look how high you're going.
Again.
Okay, let's swing again.
Again.
Okay, let's swing again. Do you see the birds over there?
Birdies.
Do you see the birds over there?
Birdies.
Yes, they're flying so high.
Birdies.
Yes, they're flying so high. It's time for your nap, sweetie.
No nap.
It's time for your nap, sweetie.
No nap.
But you need to rest, darling.
Okay, Mama. I'm feeling a little sleepy now.
But you need to rest, darling.
Okay, Mama. I'm feeling a little sleepy now.
Let's get cozy with your blanket.
I love my blanket.
Let's get cozy with your blanket.
I love my blanket.
Good night, sleep tight.
Night night, Mama.
Good night, sleep tight. I love you, Mary.
Love you, Mama.
I love you, Mary.
Love you, Mama.
I love you, Mary. Did you have a good nap?
Yes, Mama.
Did you have a good nap?
Yes, Mama.
Do you want a snack?
Crackers.
Do you want a snack?
Crackers.
Here you go, some crackers and cheese.
Thank you.
Here you go, some crackers and cheese.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetie. You're welcome, sweetie. It's almost dinner time. What would you like to eat?
Pizza.
It's almost dinner time. What would you like to eat?
Pizza.
Pizza sounds good. Let's make some together.
Cheese.
Pizza sounds good. Let's make some together.
Cheese.
Yes, Lots of cheese for our pizza. Yes, lots of cheese for our pizza. Be careful, the oven is hot.
Hot.
Be careful, the oven is hot. Our pizza is ready. Let's eat.
Yummy.
Our pizza is ready. Let's eat. You did great, Mary. Let's get ready for bed.
No. Just a little more play.
Let's get ready for bed.
No. Just a little more play.
We'll read a story first.
Story.
We'll read a story first.
Story.
Which book do you want?
Bunny book.
Which book do you want?
Bunny book.
All right, the bunny book it is. Now, close your eyes and dream sweet dreams. Now, close your eyes and dream sweet dreams.